Something to smile about on Fridays is brought to you by
Swiss Miss, distributed by Massey Distribution.
Neville and I are going to be getting dressed apparently for a rock and roll party, everybody. Yeah. Yes.
Wait, why I have this over my side?
Because I already have two over my side. So.
Switch? Oh.
No, it's not a switch. She told me that my stuff was over here.
A rock and roll party called Smile Jam Fridays will be starting in the next 6 minutes. Simone and Neville, you must get to the location on time. To your left are the outfits, and please stick to the items under your name. You have 2 minutes to get dressed. It starts now.
They don't pay me enough for this stuff. I'm going to put these pants on over my pants. Okay, great. Next time you can ask me my size though. I'd love to be able to tell you so that I don't have to go through this. Okay, all of my Bigfoot pants is ketchup into the. Come T, come and pull this down from. Cause the pull of the pants ketchup into the foot. This is why you must always have a. I don't comb my hair to come here and look like I don't comb my hair, you know. Da 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 da. Ooh, T. Ooh, T. Careful what you're doing down there, T. Okay. Just saying. Oh, Jesus. Huh? Yeah, but my foot was a bunch up in there. Couldn't do anything with it up there. It's not gonna happen because of the nature of the pants. Where's the clock? Is there a clock? Is there a countdown clock? I want to ask a question. No? You look good.
It can't hold around my waist. But even if I pull up the pants, it still can't hold.
Can't look over
Watch
there.
out, it can't reach even up here so.
Wait a minute, mine can reach, but it can't reach. When you put on the gloves before you button the pants, that's stupid, right? So wait, there's no music. I don't have any shrew. We're ready for the party.
Your minutes allotted for styling has expired. It's now time to show us your best rock moves.
Okay, coach just put on his. You needed help like me, I got help from Tanya. Jump down into there. Ready? Wait. Ready?
Yeah.
On your mark, get it, go. Jump down. Just. Okay.
Yeah.
Are you in?
Yeah.
No.
Huh? Then I saw the youth them wear the pants them
You
now.
look right. You look like Leroy, Sibley's cousin. Crack.
Run the next tune. We're ready for this. Hold on, wait. This called for something different.
But you didn't put on your belt either?
It can't hold.